Understanding Snake the Drain in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, snake the drain. This might sound a bit strange if you're hearing it for the first time, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's dive in. Snake the drain is an interesting phrase that combines two words, snake and drain. In this context, snake is used as a verb, meaning to move in a twisting or winding way, similar to how a snake moves. Drain refers to a pipe that carries water away in a sink, bathtub, or similar fixture. Together, the phrase, snake the drain, means to clear a blockage in a drain by using a tool that moves through it like a snake. This tool is often called a plumber's snake or drain snake. This phrase is commonly used in household contexts or when discussing plumbing issues. For example, if your sink is clogged, you might say, "I need to snake the drain to clear the blockage." It's a practical phrase and is more likely to be used in everyday conversation rather than formal writing. Let's see how snake the drain can be used in different sentences. 1. After noticing the water wasn't draining, I realized I had to snake the drain. 2. Can you teach me how to snake the drain? The kitchen sink is clogged again. 3. I called a plumber to snake the drain because the bathroom was flooding. And that's a wrap on snake the drain. Now you know what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the context and usage of phrases. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next one.